Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
You do things the right way and you still can live life. I'm living my best life right now.
It's surreal still, like this is really happening.
I don't ask nobody to help me. I'm doing it.
It's like every little kid's dream.
I'm the brain, she's the muscle. She can tell you everything that's going on.
It's worth it.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's exactly the way I pictured it. This is what I love. It's my passion.
Oh yes, very safe.
We're proud of our children.
I want to cry a little bit, tears of joy, I'm trying to hold those in. I'm just like, this is mine. This is, I'm here. We're here. We're about to take it home. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Dad, a big hug.
Right, sit down. Thank you, baby.
I love it. That's great.
Yeah.
So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.